100 square meters of space. The floor can be installed in one day. Save time, effort, and money. You won't lose money if you buy it. Equipped with a locking system, installation simply involves snapping the pieces together, eliminating the need for additional processes and materials. It's a DIY-friendly option, allowing the whole family to participate without the expense of hiring labor. A space of 100 square meters can be installed in 1 or 2 days. The surface features wood grain patterns for both aesthetics and sleep resistance. Compared with wooden floors, they are easy to maintain and are waterproof and not afraid of moisture. It boasts insect resistance, fire resistance up to BFLSE level, and is easy to clean without water accumulation. In summary, this is an excellent flooring option that is not only efficient but also cost-effective.